Hi, today's video is what is cloud computing? It's one that I've been looking forward to doing for a while actually, and now that I've covered some of the main concepts in it, particularly virtualization, and there's a link to that video in the description, it's time to address it. So there's quite a well-known phrase which is the cloud is just somebody else's computer, and that's kind of the thing you need to think about. When you are using the cloud, when you're doing cloud computing, you're not using your computer to do it. You're using a computer owned by somebody else. It may be one of the really big players like AWS, Amazon Web Services, Google, Microsoft Azure, or Alibaba, people like that, or it may be a smaller player. I can't mention all of them. There are lots and lots of them. But the point is that they own the computers and they're the ones who are powering it, working out how to do it. And generally, they're also the ones managing the computer. They're looking after it. They are making sure that they're doing updates, all those sorts of things. And so what you gain is the ability to run your programs, your applications, your workloads. There's a description of that in another video I'll link. Your workloads, which could be almost anything really, on somebody else's computer. Now, how does that help you, you ask? Well, in some ways you have less control, and that is an issue, and there's certainly less security that you can control, and that's a big cybersecurity question when you're doing cloud computing. I'll talk about that in videos on other occasions. But you don't need to worry about maintaining, patching, managing all those machines. You also don't need to worry about having lots of machines ready to do things when you need to do them. Let's say that you are coming up with a new program to look after your customers, and you don't know if it's going to take off, it's going to go very well or not. You have no idea. So you don't know how many computers to buy to run that if you're going to run it yourself. If you're doing cloud computing, you don't need to worry about that because you can rent those computers as and when you need them. It may be that you're only running applications at night. You don't need them during the day or vice versa. So you only rent those machines when you actually need them. So that's what cloud computing is. That's what it allows you to do. It allows you to rent space on hosts, computing space and computing capabilities on hosts for your workloads using virtualization when you need it. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions about this or any other questions about cybersecurity, please get in touch, subscribe to the channel. I'll do what I can to help. Thanks.